Good morning, everyone. My name is Tumultuous. If you don't know who I am, you don't have to. I'm not that important. In fact, when I'm gone, or when you're gone, and that is not dead, don't be so grim. When you no longer want to learn, when you feel like you've learned enough, when you're gone. I want you to consider something. If you're out there and you learn something and you say, I now know this because Tumultuous said it, that's not going to work. I'm not here to give you fish. I'm not here to show you where the pond is and give you a rod. I'm here to show you how to cast, bait, and weigh the rod. There was a thought experiment performed, very popular one, where 4 participants were sat down and told they were going to take a test, multiple choice. But the test was only for one of the participants, as the other 3 were told to get the right answer the first time, and then the second time, get the wrong answer on purpose. Meanwhile, you could see everyone's answers. The questions were super simple, like a multiple choice of which line is longer, and it was like an obvious answer, and etc., etc. So the first question, everyone answered correctly. The second question, the first 3 people answered the wrong answer on purpose. How many people out of 15 participants followed the trend of the first 3, not knowing that they were told to do so? More than half. More than 75%. Basically, the answers that they gave for why they did that is because, one, they thought that they missed an instruction. 2, they thought that maybe they were not seeing something, again, like missing an instruction. And 3, they thought that they didn't want to be weird. How are you going to tell me that you're not going to be weird by getting the answer right, man? You know? So we operate very much based and relying on other humans and how they act. We looked to other humans to see what they would do, see how they would react first. People like me know this, but I'm sharing this with you because I want you to know this too. There's other people that know this, that use it for their advantage. And by the time it's over, it's too late to change anything because you already followed the wrong path. Just because everyone's doing it, by no means whatsoever should you be. Even if 9 out of 10 people are doing something and you think it's wrong, you know it to be wrong, don't do it. Don't do it. Don't conform. Never conform. Dogs are considered man's best friend. Do you know why? Because we created them. There were no dogs. There used to be wolves, that's it. And when wolves would circle a camp of humans, they wouldn't get close enough because the humans would kill them. But they would get close. Close enough to where if you threw a bone from a steak, a piece of meat, they could eat it. Now, we talked about the wolf. Wolves are very, very smart, and they have a very keen sense of danger. But not all of them. There's always a weak chain in the link. Little by little, the wolves started to nibble the weaker ones. Then they got even closer. Then they got even closer. To the point where now there's dogs, there's poodles. Poodles came from wolves. Can you imagine that? It's insane. Same thing is happening with us and technology. We're going the wrong way with this. It was supposed to make us smarter not lazier. We're supposed to use it to excel, not regress. So much like the domesticated wolf that is now a poodle, many of us have become. Let's try to get out of this.